In order to develop the traffic system in Tripura, interceptor vehicles have been introduced in the state from today. The Tripura government's move is aimed at curbing violations, especially speeding, drunken driving, etc. Tripura Traffic Police have deployed interceptor vehicles to ensure road safety. Monday, Tripura Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb launched the vehicles in presence of Rajiv Singh, Director General of Police, Tripura. The interceptor vehicles is equipped with cameras and other features to record speeding. It also has a breath analyzer to help check drunken driving. The cameras mounted atop the vehicle record the driving track or behavior of the road users, and erring motorists will be shown the violations. The two interceptor vehicles will be stationed at various locations of the Agartala city where speed limits have been set. A computer for recording crime details and a first aid kit are also present in the vehicle. The traffic police personnel have also been trained on using the vehicle. The two interceptor vehicles launched today are now operational and is expected to bring down the number of road accidents, especially fatalities. Talking on the issue, Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb said,
देखो आज के দুটো গাড়ি দেওয়া হয়েছে তো আগামী দিনে আরো সেই ভেহিকল কেনা হবে এখন দুটো দিয়ে আমরা স্টার্ট করছি আর আগামী দিনে আরো এই ধরনের অত্যাধুনিক ইন্টারসেপ্টর ভেহিকল আরো পুরো পুলিশ মডার্নাইজেশন আমরা অনেক ইকুইপমেন্ট আমরা ওয়ার্ক অর্ডার দিয়েছি তো সেগুলো আসবে পুলিশিং ব্যবস্থা যাতে উন্নততর ব্যবস্থা হতে পারে মডার্ন পুলিশ ব্যবস্থা হতে পারে সেই দিশাতে ত্রিপুরা পুলিশ
Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb said more innovative and advanced systems will be brought in Tripura and included in the Traffic Police Department in future. This is only for the welfare of the people. However, despite of introduction of modernized vehicles, the actual scenario of the Traffic Department of Tripura cannot be changed. SP Traffic Shormishta Chakraborty, DSP Traffic Bishnupada Debnath act like slaves of the ruling BJP government. They are found misbehaving with the common people, showing off their positions in the department that they have achieved just by being pilot towards the big heads of the ruling BJP party. They never cooperate with the common people, rather behave hostile. There is no traffic management outside the Agartala city. Every day, incidents of accidents, deaths are reported in the national highways, Khairpur, Assam Agartala road. One SP Traffic in Tripura is appointed to manage the entire state, whereas there are 8 districts in the state that needs proper traffic managing heads. Incidents of road accidents are increasing at an alarming rate only due to lack of monitoring of the traffic department. No priority is given in the subdivisions. Interceptor vehicles are just a show-off. The actual problems remains in the roots of the traffic management authorities. Recently, one VIP son hit an old man at the city road with birthday gifted Enfield. The bike has no registration, no police case have been filed yet. The old man is in critical condition at the GB Trauma Center. Though the Traffic SP Shormishta Chakraborty, DSP Bishnupada Debnath and other officials of the Traffic Department of Tripura are well aware of the incident, but no FIR has been registered regarding it. The bootlickers are busy in suppressing the incident. Moreover, on the day's interceptor vehicle inauguration program, one high official of the Tripura Traffic Police Department infected with COVID-19 remained present. Bureau Report, Hallabol.